Reynisfjara Beach, located in Iceland, is a captivating destination that offers a unique and stunning landscape. Known for its black sand, towering basalt sea stacks, and powerful waves, Reynisfjara Beach attracts tourists from all over the world. The landscape of Reynisfjara Beach is truly awe-inspiring. The black sand creates a stark contrast against the surrounding cliffs and rock formations, creating a dramatic and otherworldly atmosphere. The most prominent feature of the beach is the Reynisdrangar sea stacks, which rise majestically from the ocean. These basalt columns are said to be remnants of ancient trolls that were turned into stone by the light of day. Reynisfjara Beach has become increasingly popular among tourists due to its unique beauty and accessibility. Visitors can explore the beach by walking along its shoreline or climbing up to higher viewpoints for breathtaking panoramic views. However, it's important to note that while Reynisfjara Beach is undeniably beautiful, it can also be dangerous due to its powerful waves and unpredictable currents. Visitors are advised to exercise caution and follow safety guidelines when visiting.